Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2013 Toyota RAV4, stock number 6884. This ran from the 12th 2012 to the 12th 2018. It has a 2AD 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, backed by a 6-speed 4-wheel drive transmission. This is a 2AD 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left hand headlight needs polish. Left front 17-inch factory Omega tyre. Left rear 17-inch factory Omega tyre. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear 17-inch factory Omega tyre. Right rear door 4 dents. Right front door no dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front 17-inch factory Omega tyre. Right hand headlight. Right front door guard, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster.